This is a new recipe for me, and I plan on making it again. For sure. These are homemade chicken tenders, tossed in a bang-bang sauce. This recipe is not hard, but it is time-consuming, but absolutely worth it. Especially if you have it with a more simple side or two. Let me start off by saying, it's likely you will wish you would have made more, so if possible make extra. Main reason, I have a big family. The other reasons are, some of us preferred a different sauce to toss the tenders in, like barbecue, and we all wanted more the next day. We had ours with a copycat recipe, the Louisiana pasta. That's from Cheesecake Factory. For just under 3 pounds of chicken tenders, get a large bowl. Add 1 cup of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper, 1/2 teaspoons paprika, 1/2 teaspoons garlic powder. Whisk up the dry ingredients. Then add in 1 cup of buttermilk and 1 egg. Mix it all together well and start heating up at least an inch of oil. Closer to 2 inches might be best. Try and keep it close to 350. If you have to let it heat back up in between batches, you will get better results. Throughout this video, you will see me using my new favorite mixing bowls. I will link them in the description. I love that they all come with lids. One of the bigger bowls has a removable section that you can place different sized graters into. They also have non-slip bottoms, which is very helpful while mixing and helps you not spill anything in them. They also have options without the utensils if you don't need them. I have a baking dish with breadcrumbs in it closest to the oil. I have a bowl of washed chicken tenders and a bowl of our batter as well. Just coat the tenders in batter, then dip and press into breadcrumbs all over them and start frying. They take between 6 to 8 minutes per side. Check on them frequently. If they are getting dark fast, lower the temperature. For deep frying, it's extremely useful to have a thermometer to make sure your meat is cooked to the right temp. If you don't have a thermometer, you can do your research, but it's usually best to keep track of how long you're cooking them. Check the thickest piece on the inside. If it's no longer pink and it's white all the way through, you should be safe. I do 3 to 4 at a time. You don't want to overcrowd your pan. I overcooked mine by mistake. I was trying to get a more even color. You just need a minimum of 165. Now for the sauce. I oil my measuring cups so everything slides out of them easily. That is sticky. First, you need 1/4 cup of honey. We like things a little spicy, so I did half hot honey and half regular. 1/3 cup of mayo, then 1/4 cup of sweet chili sauce. I have seen some recipes use hot sauce instead. Then finally 1/4 cup of ketchup. This amount of sauce was pretty close to enough for all the chicken, but we used other sauces as well. Now I'm taking some of my finished tenders and tossing them in the sauce. I also had some diced fresh parsley to garnish them with after I had time in between batches of frying the tenders to start my pasta sauce for my side. I also dipped some of the tenders that weren't coated in bang bang sauce into the pasta sauce, which tastes a lot like a spicy Alfredo. It was delicious. These were absolutely worth it. Here's a glimpse of the sauce for my pasta. I will share that with you all soon as well. So if you aren't subscribed already, make sure you do, so you don't miss any delicious recipes, helpful ideas, and tools in the kitchen as well. And if you could use some new mixing bowls, click that link in the description. Thank you for watching, and leave a comment if you tried these. Family rated these 10 out of 10.